Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at some incredible trucks from around the world. Stick around and see a truck with a pump capable of moving 13,000 cubic meters of fluid an hour. Tunnels quickly become dirty with exhaust gases and other grime. They need to be cleaned at least once per year to maintain the durability of the structures and ensure good visibility. To that end, Kolas has created an effective tunnel washing truck. They call it the octopus because of its many arms. Thanks to its remotely controlled tools, any tunnel can be cleaned in a single pass. In addition to that, it saves a lot of water and detergent, reducing running costs. People leave a lot of trash after a big gathering. Especially in parks, removing waste from grass can be a big problem. Fret no more with this machine from ESKES. It swallows hundreds of tons of garbage without damaging the grass. The ESKES works with a vacuum pump. It pulls the dirt and dust and puts it in its bucket. Such machines come in handy at sports events and countless other celebrations. Lime is an important way to improve soil pH through lowering acidity. The GRIZZLY Tiny 460 is a machine built to mix lime into the earth below. It features impressive market-leading 42-inch cutting discs. It has a 3.5 meter transport width and can hold from 24 to 32 plates in working widths from 5 to 6.9 meters. The Tiny 460 is capable of offering maximum reliability, minimum downtime, and ease of maintenance. Humanity has employed the use of shields for centuries in seeking superior defense. The Russian company KALASHNIKOV, known for creating the AK-47 along with many other armaments, has created a modernized version of the shields of old, known as the STENA, Russian for wall. It is built atop a truck and, when opened, it becomes a 7.5 meter long wall. There are small windows to respond to attacks. This superb tool only takes a minute and 30 seconds to transform. Baler machines are used to compress a cut and raked crop, such as hay, cotton, flax, etc., into compact bales that are easy to handle, transport, and store. The Swiss PROFI press is ideal for pressing round bales of hay or silage. Due to the pressing process, there is very little loss, as the pickup is at the very rear in the direction of travel, and raking is no longer necessary. The Swiss PROFI press allows you to continue pressing up to 3 bales while the bales are safely transferred to the baling tray. CPT is a method used to determine the geotechnical properties and define the stratigraphy of soils. These systems are used to record the mechanical resistance and friction of the soil. They are installed on the ground to ensure balance. For this purpose, an electrical or mechanical probe is pushed into the ground. The balance of the vehicle plays an important role in the entire operation. That's why CPT trucks themselves have a relatively high weight, and they have a counterweight mechanism to provide the necessary penetrative force. Mulching machines are equipped with rotary drum or steel chipper tools and are used for shredding vegetation. The DF703 Phoenix is such a mulching machine, designed to provide productivity, serviceability, and comfort. Visibility is excellent through large tinted, scratch-resistant, and shatter-resistant windows. The modern and spacious cab is certified by FOPS, ROPS, and OPS, creating a safe and efficient working environment. Controls are easy to learn, and the machine is highly responsive to operator commands, making it a pleasure to operate. Panther T-16 tracked carrier vehicles transport digger derricks, aerial devices, cranes, drills, and more to the most challenging terrain where ground conditions prohibit the use of a wheeled vehicle. Operators can more easily complete work on rugged terrain as well as in locations requiring low ground pressure and traction. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology that monitors everything from oil pressure and vehicle parameters to outdoor air temperature, the Panther T-16 is a reliable work tool backed by a powerful Tier 4 final engine and enhanced safety features. The LAGOON Crawler is the world's first remote-controlled amphibious agitation boat. Its wheels can drop, giving the vehicle approximately 5 feet of ground clearance. The unit then drives itself into a lagoon, where it turns into an agitation boat. The machine is powered by a quad-port manure pump from the NUHN header series. 10,000 plus GPM volumes are used to maneuver the pontoon through the lagoon and to agitate the solids from the bottom. Once the lagoon has been emptied, the 4 wheels are lowered and the machine can be driven out. The compact Beach Tech 2000 is designed for medium-sized beaches. With a working width of 1.85 meters, it can cover up to 22,000 square meters an hour. This agile beach cleaner can also handle narrow access roads and narrow sections of beach. Another plus, as with all Beach Tech models, it can be approved for road travel. The SOMERO Broom and Cure machine is designed for performance and power to address all paving jobs. Equipped with a dual sonic tracer, state-of-the-art laser technology ensures accurate head height and curing during the broom process. Design space for 55-gallon drums keeps spraying consistent and easy to refill. It has a 14-foot proprietary broom and sprinkler head. Up next, we have the HOPKINS cleaning machine for you to enjoy. It's made to clean concrete drums. Concrete is often glued to the sides of the drum, and when it dries, it becomes more difficult to remove. But this water jet cleaning system makes it easy. As a result, the bonding of the concrete is broken, making the whole process a breeze, without even needing someone to enter the drum. You've probably seen some of these vehicles working in the cities. They're used to clean the roads. With years of experience knowing the challenges of municipal authorities, Trinity has built several cleaning systems. Sweeping brushes on the sides of the truck are used to clean the sidewalks, while high-pressure systems on the front of the truck remove dirt from the streets. Every standard Trinity truck has a 13,000 cubic meter per hour high-pressure suction pump. There is a waste hopper with a volume of 6 cubic meters on the back, and the water tank of the truck has a capacity of 1,600 liters. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we release new content.